In this video, I want to teach you how to be safe online in 2019. If you want to be safe online, make sure you watch this video. Let's get started. First thing you have to do is be careful what you download. When you're downloading something, make sure there's no check marks for other things to download, like different programs. Sometimes it's connected to spyware when you're downloading. Make sure you're not downloading anything else but what you're downloading. And make sure it's from a reputable site that you're downloading something from. You just don't want to go in anywhere and just download things that you don't know what they are, because you can get yourself in a bunch of trouble with malware and viruses. Another thing is keep your privacy settings on. Windows has privacy settings, and make sure they're on high, and make sure all your privacy settings are on, and your router password is very strong. If you have a weak password, change your router password on your network, your wireless network, and use upper and lowercase letters, and use some symbols too, so other people can't figure out what your network is, and they can't break into your computer easy. So you got to use strong passwords if you want to be safe online. Also, protect your mobile devices too. And you don't go to coffee shops, and don't go to Wi-Fi places where you could use the Wi-Fi and log into your email and use your laptop in these places. Don't do it. Get a VPN network. You can look that up online. That's a private network where everything is encrypted and people cannot get your data. Go into coffee shops and all these Wi-Fi places is very unsafe and dangerous. People could easily get your information, and there's people out there doing it all the time. So click smarter. Make sure you know what you're downloading when you're downloading. And also be a selective sharer. When you share information, be careful who you're sharing it to. Don't give people your information online, your personal information, if it's not a secure site, if it's not a trusted site, if it says not secure in the box on top, and if there's no lock on the upper left-hand side, don't put any personal information in anything, because that's how people can get your information. It has to be a locked site. Banking sites all have a lock on the upper left-hand corner, and you can see that. And that's what you have to look for. Also, keep your software up to date. Programs and your version of Windows, make sure that's all up to date to be safer online. And that includes even drivers for your devices. If there's any updates, update them. Update your Windows operating system to the fullest. And also use a firewall. There's hardware and software firewalls that can block intruders into your computer. And firewall will block the ports so people cannot get in. And those are very, very good to use. Businesses use them, and they're very safe to use. Also, make sure you have a good antivirus, a good spyware remover, and a registry cleaner, and a program that will clean your temps and everything out. There's 3 programs I recommend. One is CCleaner for your registry cleaning and also for your temp files. Another program I recommend is Malwarebytes, that removes malware and spyware on your computer, and download that. And Avast antivirus, that's another good antivirus that I recommend. And you can get all these programs at download.com. That's a very safe site for downloading things. So if you got value out of this video, please subscribe and like it and share it with your friends to keep them safe online also. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, I come out with videos every couple days, and I have a great playlist that you can check out and watch and learn a lot about computers and how you can stay safe online. So once again, this is Mike Lucasio, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.